That's how you get that nice, beautiful brown golden sear. Making sure I get all the sides. You want everything golden brown, not just the top. This is gonna be so good. I cannot wait. All right, so I set that cast iron to the side. Since I have my grits waiting nice and hot for me, I'm gonna pour them in the bowl. And it's totally up to you when you make your grits, if you use water, if you use milk, if you want to add butter, if you don't want to add butter, if you want sugar, if you don't want sugar. You the star of your own show. You do what you want. I'm going to continue to preach and preach and preach that to y'all until I can't preach it no more. Because I be damned if anybody tell me how I'm about to cook my food or plate my food. Shit, this is my creation, so I want you guys to feel the same way. You know what I'm saying? This is your shit. This is your art. You do what you want to do and be proud of it. Now, how simple was that? Pour the grits in, put the salmon on top, put some shrimp around it, drizzle a little butter dill juice on it. This shit about to go hard, y'all.